Welcome back to this Saturday afternoon. I'll try again with the videos. My phone's acting up at the moment. So, as you saw, the chipper last time jammed up. And this time we're using wetter wood, what we've just cut down. And it's actually blocking the machine up. So we took the chute off, the funnel off the front. And now, it goes through straight away with the green stuff. Maybe you need a smaller chute. That's going through lovely. As you can see, taking loads of tree down. Put some light on the new trees. That's a good investment. Because obviously over the years we're going to need it a few times.